Old school stack pack. Old school stack pack. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. I hear it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2. Small 1, 2. 1. Small 1. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Pretty normal. Always get tons of lint in them. All right. Well, the knife is getting, there we go. There. 2 more plugs. My stool. One, 2 more. These are flat. Take the cover of the belt off. 1, 2. That's how it's supposed to go. That's not our noise. That's our noise. It's hot. Gotta lift the drum up and out of the bearing. That's where our noise was coming from, the ball bearing. All right, that's how it goes. Ball. So this goes through the back, and then this plate is on the back. And there's a ball bearing that sits right there. Whoa. I usually just put one in, that way I can slide it up and slip the ball bearing in and slide it back down. Hard to do. See. Like ball bearing, 2 screws. Unzip the old one. 1, 2, 3. Lift and set onto the new. There's the other holes. Time for the gloopy gloops. Worst part. Hold it. My screwdriver. Please don't fall, please don't fall. Oh! Flat one. Ah! Flat one. Alright, time for the top. It's got to go under. Hard to line up these corners. Boop, 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 and all the other ones. Pow. The bottom ones. 1, 2, 3. Little ones go. Alright. One more. sounds like. That's a little better. Funny thing is, this is a GE stack, but it's made by Frigidaire. See, and if you look it up by the model number, just this piece from GE is like $100, but you can get the whole kit from Frigidaire for like $30. So don't buy the GE one, buy the Frigidaire one. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up.